The government's war on bikies has extended to include their lawyers. They're furious. The Premier has accused them of being part of the bikies' criminal machine. One says Campbell Newman should resign.
Campaigning at an old Redcliffe fire station, the Premier fanned an already smouldering blaze, turning a blowtorch on the bellies of bikie lawyers.
These people are hired guns. They take money from people who sell drugs to our teenagers and young people.
It was the latest shot in an ongoing war between the government and the courts over bikie laws, and the Premier didn't hold back.
Everybody's got a right to be defended under the law, but you've got to see it for what it is. They are part of the machine, part of the criminal gang machine.
Zeke Bentley represents bikies who'll fight the laws all the way to the High Court.
I think these laws go well beyond what it's supposed to be, a war on bikies. I mean, now we've not only got a war on bikies, it's been expanded to include the legal profession.
And he's not alone.
The comments that the Premier made were not only ignorant but appalling.
I think that there would be real questions as to whether he should remain in the job.
The Bar Association demands the Premier take his comments back. The Law Society says its members are appalled.
Queensland solicitors have been quite upset.
Picking on lawyers, they say, is an attack on the right to a fair trial and legal representation. But the Attorney-General makes no apologies, and neither, it seems, will the Premier.
I was quite disturbed when I read reports that lawyers were advocating their clients not turn up to court because they would be arrested under the new laws.
We'll go live to Shane Doherty at State Parliament. And Shane, finally, the Griffith by-election campaign is at an end.
Yeah, finally, Melissa. The candidates were out in force today drumming up that all-important last-minute support. The pre-poll office, I'm told, was particularly packed. No sign of Kevin Rudd, though. He was in Sydney launching a reconciliation project. We did get his double, the Kevin Rudd impersonator Anthony Ackroyd, who is a candidate in this election. Now, the bookies have already got it picked. They say that Labor is an unbackable favourite at $1.20, the LNP at $4 and the Greens at 101. We'll have the results live to you as they happen tomorrow night. Melissa.
All right, Shane, thank you.